Hi, friends! Are you ready to play a fun fruit guessing game? Let's see how many fruits you can guess. Look, listen, and shout out the name when you know it. Let's start. This fruit is red, round, and crunchy. You can find it in lunch boxes. What is it? It's an apple. Apples are yummy and help keep you healthy. Apple. This fruit is long, yellow, and monkeys love it. It's soft and sweet inside. Can you guess? It's a banana! Bananas give you lots of energy. Banana! These grow in bunches and come in purple or green. They're small, juicy, and super sweet. What are they? They're grapes. Grapes are a tasty snack. Grapes! This fruit is round and orange. You can peel it, and it's full of juice. What is it? It's an orange, full of vitamin C to keep you strong. Orange. This red fruit is shaped like a heart. It has tiny seeds on the outside and tastes so sweet. It's a strawberry. They have vitamin C that helps keep you from getting sick. Strawberry. This fruit is tiny and blue. It grows in bunches and is great in muffins too. What fruit is this? It's a blueberry. Blueberries help keep your brain strong and your body healthy. Blueberry. This fruit is juicy and sweet. It's yellow or orange and grows in tropical heat. Can you guess it? It's a mango. They are full of vitamin C to help you stay strong and fight off colds. Mango. This fruit has a spiky green top and yellow inside. It's juicy, tropical, and full of fun. What fruit is this? It's a pineapple. It gives you energy while helping your tummy feel good. Pineapple. This fruit is big, green on the outside, and red inside with tiny black seeds. It's super juicy and perfect on a hot day. What is it? It's a watermelon. It keeps you hydrated and gives you vitamins that help you stay cool and healthy. Watermelon. Great job guessing, little scholars. Let's say all the fruits we learned. Apple, banana, grapes, orange, strawberry, blueberry, mango, pineapple, and watermelon. That's 9 tasty fruits. Which fruit is your favorite? Until next time, bye!
Hey there, did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.